In today's video, we're going to create a unique list from two tables here in Google Sheets. So I want to create a unique list of all the salesperson that I have from these two tables right here. So we have the column salesperson at the second column. There we go for both tables. And again, I just want to know how many salespersons there are from these two regions right here. Let's go ahead and start with our formula. So we're going to use two formulas for this one. The first formula would be our VSTACK function. So start off with your equal sign and type in VSTACK or select it right here. Now we're just going to select our ranges. So our first range would be from the Western region first. Let's go ahead and select that from this column right here. That's our range, comma. Let's select our second range from our second table right here, which is from the Eastern regions. Let's go ahead and select that. There you go. So I've selected the second column on each table, which is our salesperson column. Let's close that off and press enter. And there you have it. Now we have a long list of some repeated names on our column right here. Now you might be wondering why this formula is not complete. Well, if we hover over this bar right here and click on drag it down, there you have it. That's our whole formula right there. So that's our VSTACK function. And now to weed out those duplicates, what we're going to add would be the unique function at the start of our formula. So go ahead and click before our VSTACK function right here, put in a space, go back, and type in unique or select it right here. There we have it. Now I'm just going to close that off with one more parenthesis to close our unique function. Press enter, and there we have it. Now we have the unique list of all the salespersons from both regions. And there you have it. That's how you can create a unique list from two tables with the help of two functions, VSTACK and unique, here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.